we'll guide you through how to format a laptop. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. So, if you're looking to completely erase all the data on your laptop and start fresh, whether you're running Windows 10 or 11, this guide will help. This is especially useful if you're planning to sell your laptop or just want a clean system. To begin, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Settings, then open it inside Settings. Use the search function again and type in Reset. Select the option that says Reset this PC. This will take you to the Recovery Settings page. From there, click on the Reset PC button on the right-hand side. You'll now be asked if you want to keep your files or remove everything. Since we want to format it fully, choose Remove Everything. Next, select how you'd like to reinstall Windows. For this guide, we'll go with a local reinstall. Press Next, and make sure you understand the message. All data will be wiped and Windows will be reinstalled. That's it. If this video helped, please don't forget to leave a like.